Hello, right, today I'm going to share a tip with you that could save you thousands and thousands of pounds simply by asking one question that I know you're not asking painters and decorators for or any other tradesmen that you've got working in your home. And how do I know you're not asking? Well, after 20 years of running a paint and decorating business, I've been asked for this document by a customer once. So, as I say, you're not asking for it, but if you do ask, it can save you thousands of pounds. And what I'm talking about is public liability insurance. Before you even think about getting anybody to do any work in your home, ask to see their public liability and also how much they have. Our public liability covers £5 million. All this means is if you've got a tradesman in your home carrying out work and something goes wrong, then they're liable to cover, they've got insurance to cover any damages they cause. Other than that, your only route to sort out the problem is to claim on your own home contents insurance, which that's debatable whether it will actually covered or not. So before you even think about getting anybody to do any work in your own home, get to see their public liability insurance. Like I say, free bit of advice that could save you thousands. Take care. Have a great day.